Hello and welcome to another video. So today I am going to tell you a story about a wombat. So let's begin. So once upon a time there was a wombat. A wombat is a square animal with a leathery nose like a koala, and it has no tail, and it has little stubby legs. Yes, and also it has lots of hair, thick hair. The hair almost feels like a doormat, and so the wombat is a very lonely animal. The wombat that we are speaking in the story, the wombat is one of the loneliest animal in this story, and it has no sisters or brothers or aunties or uncles, nothing, and the wombat has spent all of its pocket money. So the wombat is now very lonely. So the wombat is looking for friends. The wombat thought that if he had a little friend that could fit in his pants pocket, then it would be very nice. And as the wombat was looking around, suddenly he saw a scarecrow waving at him. The scarecrow was waving at him because of air, because of the wind. In the scarecrow's hand would go left to right and right to left, like this, and then the scarecrow would sing a song of its own, like a little bit of squeak, a little bit of creak, and something like that. The wombat heard this and started running towards the scarecrow as fast as he could. And when he got towards the scarecrow, he looked at the scarecrow and said, "Are you happy now that I am here, my friend?" And then the scarecrow suddenly hit wombat. The wombat didn't know that it was because of the wind. So the wombat got very angry and said, "It is terrible to hit your new friend." So the wombat got very angry and started pushing the scarecrow as hard as he could, and as the scarecrow was being pushed, the scarecrow suddenly fell down, and on the scarecrow there was a purple hat, a straw hat, and the straw hat looked beautiful. It was a purple rugged straw hat. The wombat wore the straw hat and looked at the water. As he saw himself, he thought that he looked very beautiful. So he took that hat and kept him to himself and told the hat that they could be friends. And so as the wombat was running around with his new hat friend, the wombat suddenly heard a little cry, a squeaky little cry, and when he looked down, he saw a little mouse crying. The mouse was crying because the mouse lost his little tiny pairs of glasses, and as the mouse was trying to find the glasses, it could not find the glasses because the mouse could not see anything without the glasses. So the mouse was aimlessly searching for the glasses. Then the wombat came and started helping the mouse, and with this the mouse and the wombat became best friends. Yes, and the mouse's glasses were finally found, and the wombat generously gave the mouse his glasses and told the mouse that if the mouse would like to come with him to go on an adventure, and the mouse agreed because the mouse was now spending its leisure hours. So right after that, the mouse got into wombat's pockets and started exploring the area. The mouse never saw a higher point of view because the mouse was so tiny, but now the mouse could see a huge scenery with grass and everything that he could never see on the ground. So this is the end of our story of the mouse and the wombat's friendship. So this is the end. So tata and goodbye. See you tomorrow again.